Hello, today is Christmas and I got the GAN 12 and I'm gonna unbox it. Though I have opened this before because I have had to reshoot this and yeah, but let's just get into it here. We have the infamous GAN AirPods tool, that's something, huh? I don't know. Then the GAN bag, just normal GAN bag, just throw it to the side. And then that's basically it other than this pamphlet. I'm not gonna make that overmade joke. Other than here we have the video instructions. Yeah. Typical GAN, but yeah. Let's just get that to the side and go to the main attraction, the cube itself. I have tried it before from a few friends, and it's very good. It's a good balance between speed and controllability. I know it's going to be very loud for the microphone, but the cube is very good with its way too long core magnets for the little core, but yeah, it's just this. And for being about like 60, $70, is it worth it? It depends. If you have the money and you really want one, then yes. But if you don't have the money, then get something more like a YS3M or a Waylong V10 or something like that. But just for comparison, also, I just realized I have the GAN 11, which I got 2 years ago, and to compare the pieces, they are pretty much the same, other than that this GAN 11 piece has over 2 years of usage, and this is brand new, straight out of the box. Straight out of the box. It's hard to speak today. And then the corner pieces are just that the magnets are insanely taller on the 12, which also the cube, the 12, for me here is UV coated and maglev, because I really enjoy maglev cubes and also UV cubes, not on big cubes, just regular 3x3. Here we have the adjustment system. I'm not going to take it apart because I'm tired. But for adjustment, it's really nice because you have the corner core magnet adjustment and the the regular adjustment for like screw depths and just maglev tensioning. And the system does not look like it does in something like the more recent cubes, and like for example the GAN Megaminx V2. It has gone a far bit way in the like 3 years that the 11 has been out, no, 12 has been out. But I asked for this or the 15, and I have not yet tried the 15, but the 12 is great. It's a good balance, as I said in the beginning, of speed and control. And I am gonna try the Timon setup because I've heard that that's really nice on this. And I have tried it on the 11 and it's really nice there. So just gonna try it on this to see how good it can be on a maglev cube. But I will record some solves on my new GAN Halo timer, which I'll make a short review on, like a short, and just put in this video to end off with a little voiceover after I have set it up. Whew, 5th time's the charm. I put the cube up, and with Timon's setup, and it's nice, it's tight, it's very fluid, very stable, and very encouraging in turns. And the cube, again, which this review and unboxing is about, it's after just the setup, it feels quite flimsy, even at a quite tight tension, but it's still very, like, as I said, turning encouraging. It's very, like, it's hard to put to words what I mean, but it's loose feeling, but also tight in a good way. The UV coating helps with grip during solves, and the maglev, which some people say, oh, it's too much, it's perfect, because I used to main the YS3M and Weilong V9, which are both maglev, because they were the ball core versions, and I enjoyed the maglev in those when I switched back to something like a GAN 11, which I have here, which is springed. It's not as good, in my opinion. It's good and a bit more flexible to some people, but to me, I prefer the 12 with the maglev, because I just genuinely, regularly enjoy maglev more in cubes, and that's pretty much what I have to say. I'm gonna throw in like 3 solves or something. I can do that right now. Just turn the timer on. Even just scrambling, it's so nice to turn. That's okay. A 14.46. That's not too good, but okay. Let's move on. And then I got kind of nervous. Would you say so? Okay, lock in, lock in. 13.98. I'm getting nervous. Why? Dang it, the DNF. But yeah, just to show, I'm bad, the cube is good. The setup I went for was just some Dignitas and DNM because I ran out of Gravitas, which is sad. But the cube itself, as a cube, is really enjoyable. And there's not really much to say other than the things that I have already said. So, yeah, that's it for my GAN 12 maglev UV review.